Are you the king of the Jews?
Are you asking this on your own? Or did someone tell you about me?
Your own people and the chief priests brought you to me. What have you done?
My kingdom is not of this world.
Are you a king then?
You say I am a king. Actually, I was born and came into the world to testify to the truth. All who love the truth recognize that what I say is true.
What is truth? Take him and scourge him.